Alright, hello guys. I am going to show you how to make a copy of your English 2 Reader's Notebook. So you are going to go to the hub, and in your courses you're going to go to your English 2 class, right? So for Miss Salyer, it should say English 2 period whatever period you have me. In this white banner that is at the top, you are going to click Plans. Once you click Plans, it will show you all of these things, and you should see week 2, September 14th through 18th, and then either an A or a B, depending what day you have me, and you're going to click down here. You're going to either go to Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever day it says there, and you are going to click this English 2 Reader's Notebook link. Once you click that link, it should take you to a page that looks like this. And then you're going to click this link, and it is going to take you to this page. This will be our English 2 Reader's Notebook. However, each of you get your own, so you have to make your own copy, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So once you are at this page, you are going to go to File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. Once you click Entire Presentation, a copy document pop-up will pop up, and you are actually going to erase the copy of, and you are going to write your name, '(S), English 2 Reader's Notebook. So I'm actually going to ask you to write your first and last name. So I wrote Evan Green's English 2 Reader's Notebook. This is probably the most important part. You are going to click Share It with the Same People. That gives me access so I can grade and look at your Reader's Notebook. So in this copy document pop-up, you erased copy of, wrote your name, '(S), English 2 Reader's Notebook. The folder you're saving it in is My Drive, and Share It with the Same People is checked. Once you click OK, it is perfect. You can exit out of the one that says English 2 Reader's Notebook. You can exit out of that, and you will only forever now work in the one that says your name, '(S), English 2 Reader's Notebook. Make sure, go to the Share button right here, and make sure that it is shared with C. Salyer or Chelsea.Salyer at HoustonISD.org. Make sure that my name is on this shared list, and you will click Done. You can now go back to the PowerPoint in Teams and find directions for the next step.